Open the media door. Open the printhead. Use a Zebra Preventative Maintenance Cleaning Swab or pen to wipe along the brown strip on the printhead. Or you can use a lint-free cloth moistened with a solution of 9 parts isopropyl alcohol and 1 part deionized water. To clean the Platen roller, wipe with a swab or lint-free cloth moistened with a solution of 9 parts isopropyl alcohol and 1 part deionized water. Allow the solvent to evaporate. Close the printhead. Close the media door. Clean the printhead on a regular basis to extend its life and to prevent inconsistent print quality. Clean whenever you replace the ribbon on a thermal transfer printer or when you replace the labels on a direct thermal printer. Also clean the printhead whenever the Clean Head Now appears on the display. We recommend using a Zebra Preventative Maintenance Kit.